We're back at it again. I'm going to do the same thing, but this time I'm going to hopefully have better handwriting. And more importantly, I'm doing a different topic. Um, I learned a good amount of stuff at school, not here. So I'm going to maybe making two videos, one about the stuff I learned here, and then right now I'm doing the ones I learned at school. So one of the things, I actually learned this yesterday about true and false, okay? This is pretty much just it can happen and it can't happen, kind of. So, like it's kind of like how numbers are, where they don't need to be in strings like this. If you do this, it counts as the word true. But if you put true by itself, it's like a command. Okay. So when you do this, uh, you can have it like, damn, what's a good use for it? Like, let's do age of consent. That's a good one. Age equals 18. And now I'll show you guys the other thing that correlates with this is these two signs equals and then exclamation mark explanation ex explanation mark equals. I forgot how to say it. This is if it's different. So let's remove the normal equals. If it has no, sorry, equals, not equals with one double equals. This one's exclamation mark equals. What this is it sees if the number is the same or if it's different. If they are the same, this outcome will become a false outcome. So this would become false without the quotations. Fastly, false, okay? This would become false. But if it's equals, this would become true. Okay? So this can work with let's say you have I'm gonna do a terrible version of this because I haven't got to a part where you can do more than or less than. But let's say you have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going on, okay? And you have all those behind each number it's um age equals or no, sorry. We have age as the input that the person would type. So let's say let's go wait, pause it. So let's say we ask the question input equals and then we write or not equals, sorry. Input parentheses how old. Okay. I don't add the rest because that's too much work. Okay. We have to add these to quotes all the time. And whatever they respond is going to be here. So let's say they say 12 or whatever. You could have another piece of code going through the age. So we also put over here, I'm going to write it or I'm just going to do it like this. Age. I forgot to put, this has to have a variable connected to it from what I know. So let's say age equals input and then whatever they input after this. So age. Now we can take the age and we put it through something like this. Let's say again age can still say 18. Okay. We do let's say 1, 2, 3, and we just go through all the numbers. Okay. Then what we'd put behind it is um age. Damn, what do I put? Fuck, I need time to think. Wait. Okay, I think I got it. So it's gonna be age equals uh or sorry. Oh, first another variable. Allowed, okay? Allowed, like allowed to go into this website. Equals 18 and then just numbers like that, okay? I don't know how to do that yet, like more or less than. I don't know. I haven't learned that yet. We're gonna get to there eventually. So let's say 18 and every number possible after that, okay? Now all we need to do is set that up. So we do there's another thing I forgot to mention. What are these are called? I don't know what they're called. They're not parentheses. It's the one right next to it. You you're supposed to put a number inside of there. You're actually supposed to do F to make it as F string, parentheses, because without an F string, it just types this in, or this in, this type of thing. So you do F, or no, parentheses, or print F, and then parentheses, like that. But so now numbers are going to show up in the actual thing, okay? Instead of them showing up as, or they're going to show up as equations, like an actual number, not as just the number 3, but you could do 3 plus 2, and it's going to work. So here, what you're going to do, or another thing, and then we can use variables like that as well. So what would happen is we have, what is it called? Allowed equals 18. So, and then we'll have a variable called access. Access equals, allowed, ALLOWED, equal with, what is it called? 18 plus, or whatever. Okay? Or we could do another way is allowed minus age equals like, or, sorry, then we would have this, and we do print, parentheses, F, access, so access, minus, oh wait, access, wait, what? Access over 18. So let's say 18 plus. If this is true, then we could do, what is it called? Wait, damn it, I messed it up again. What is happening? Dude, I think it's because I don't have a more than or less than sign that's messing me up. So 18, damn, I need to get something in my feet as well, or my foot, or not my foot, my knee. But, we could do, yeah, allowed equals, yeah, this is what I messed up, equals age, okay? If access is, damn it, because I don't know how to do more than or less than, this is a problem. If they're equal, or, it's not equal, okay. Let's do this, because I don't know, maybe this works in coding. If age is higher than allowed, so it's supposed to be more than sign, or yeah, less than sign, this would be true, okay? So we do enter, and then equals, enter equals, oh, I remember what I was trying to do with this. Okay, we do minus, and it's gonna be access. So what we could do is ACCESS, access. I'm not sure if I spelled that right at all. Minus, what is it called? 18. Wait, no. What am I trying to do? I don't know how to explain it. Allowed age, and then, damn it. I think, bro, what did I write there? Oh my god. What? Dude, I lost my own thinking. Dude, I had it for a second, and then I just completely forgot. Access, okay. Oh, I remember. If access is over 0, okay? If access is over 0, So it's going to be like more than, or damn it, why did I do the same thing? More than 0, and then -1, -2, and then just it keeps going. Then you're allowed access. And then what you can do is access, oh no, I can't have the same variable twice. Let's say perms equal true. Okay. Wait, what? No, 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 no. Uh, oh yeah, 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 yeah. Because this by itself should give us a variable that's true or false. Okay. If this is more, then it's gonna give us a variable that's, or it's gonna give us the variable true. Okay. Then what we could do is print uh bang and say like I need, oh, how do you do this? I was gonna say if blank is true, then it's allowed. I don't know how to do this, bro. I don't have enough experience to use this example. Damn it. How long is this? It's been 11 minutes. No. This is like half the things I learned. Damn it. If print equals, oh, damn it, this is terrible. So, oh, okay. Okay. So now we can do print. Oh my god, I forgot about another variable. I'm gonna show it real quick. If you put not before true or false, the variable true or false, not the words, not these, has to be the word, just true or false. Okay? It reverses it. Okay? That's what I was trying to use. So we could do access, and then this can give us true, right? And then if it's not, it gives us false, right? So uh damn. Okay. Okay. We can do this. Print, and then we can have oh no, we do F string. F parentheses. Oh no, not parentheses. Bang bang. And then we could do are you allowed? This is more allowed. Ugh. Bang bang. And then we could have over here print saying where is it? Enter. Okay. Print enter, the variable enter. Oh, I forgot to add the parentheses all the way over here. Enter. Okay. If it's false, it's gonna say, "Are you allowed?" False. If it's true, it's gonna say, "Are you allowed?" True. Okay. I just need to figure out how to make it say something else when that's happening. Like if it's true, it says something else. Like if blank is true, allows, or prints this. If blank is false, it does this. Okay. That's that explained. That's kind of everything. Oh, I'm gonna make the other video later. I have to check on my phone what else I learned. I'll go check real quick just in case. Yeah, that's everything. I'm gonna go over another 20 minutes of this video and then make another video trying to memorize it. There's a lot I need to go over because a lot of that I fucked up or I got confused because I didn't know how to do this, how having a more than or less than. I didn't know how to make, if it said true, give a different message like you are allowed, or if it was false, you are not allowed. I didn't know how to do that. So I need to figure that. I also need to figure out how to use the not variable, or the not factor, whatever the hell you want to call it, in more scenarios because I didn't really figure out how to use it there. I also need to figure out how F strings work. I'm still very confused on that because I understand the point, but why wouldn't I use an F string every single time? Like I'm gonna keep using it because it's useful, but I don't know why I wouldn't keep using it, right? You also don't really know the difference of a normal parentheses, not normal parentheses, sorry, between putting the variable to and putting this to, like, because I know this gives the number, but you also can't use this as a variable, I think, like the number 2. That's gonna be it. Thank you for watching if you did. Thank you for not watching if you didn't. I don't know. And goodbye. I'm gonna erase this.